When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare potato suji fingers. It's very tasty and crispy snack recipe. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a pan, add half cup of suji rava, fry it on a low flame. Once we get a good aroma, switch off the flame. Now transfer the suji rava into a bowl and add half cup of curd. Mix everything and set aside for 10 minutes. Into this, add 2 boiled potatoes. Now add ginger paste, chopped green chilies, cumin powder, add little amount of chaat masala, add crushed black pepper powder, add required amount of salt, combine everything. Now take a small size dough. Now make a cylindrical shape. Now coat these fingers with corn flour and drop it in a hot oil. Fry these fingers on a low flame. Fry it on both sides until it turns into a golden red color. Once we get a golden red color, now remove from hot oil and transfer this into a serving plate. That's all, potato suji fingers was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare wheat flour instant dosa. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.